Hi there. A few. You've always been able to get through those without much issue, though. Why would I bother with that when I have you around? Fine. I'll admit I'm curious. Show me how to do this. Oh, so just like that?
Of Mara upon you.
Lady Mara bids you welcome to her benevolence.
Sure thing.
What is it you seek, my child?
I can't get this one. Back. But... Hi there. All right, let's do it. I don't get it. They just snap over and over. Ugh, that's enough for now.
Good afternoon.
Blessings of Mara upon you.
I'll give it a shot. I can't get this one. Oh, you mean this lock? Already got it open. And you have more. Fine, let me see them. Shouldn't be a problem. Done and dusted.